Once upon a time, there's a LL doll surprise. She lived in a ball, and she was sleeping Saturday morning in her vacations. And one day, she woke up. And there she was. She was almost so worried. Then Mom said, "It's bath time." She went back to sleep and died. So she was crawling around the room, and then Mommy got her and took her to the bathroom. Like, I didn't want to take a shower, Mommy. I'm tired. It's too cold, too hot. I mean warm. So, yeah. No, go there. No, I don't want to. Look at my diaper. I'm going to do poo-poo here. See, I did do poop. Now I'm going to turn my hair black. Or dark. Let me do it again. There you go. Now Mommy's not going to need anymore. Warm water. I cleaned my diaper. I cleaned my head. That I did Saturday morning. No. I'm fucking in the kitchen. This is not the kitchen. Well, I'm gonna go see my dog. Doggy. You can't see me. But, yeah. I'm tired. I want to go to sleep. I have a great idea. I can do slime. I'm just going to get the things. Magic. Now let's get started. So what I'm just going to do, I'm going to get my gallon of glue. It's so big. No, key mistake. No. There you go. Now stay like that. I am going to try to climb here. I climbed to the top. Now I'm going to open up my magic. I did it. I opened it. Now I'm going to go inside. Wait. I'm going to die, so let me go. So I'm going to make... Shush! I know lights off. I'm a little baby. I'm going to put this... Oh, Mommy, I need help. Oh, you need help? Let me pour this for you. I don't have mixed. Do you think that's enough? Yeah, Mommy, I think so. It's too much slime for me. That looks like I just want to jump again. Oh, you can't. You need to be patient. I need a pencil. Okay, I'll get you a pencil. Okay, Mommy. I'm going to spread it out. Two big pencils. Mama, I'm sorry. Abby. I'm sorry, okay. Okay, Mom, can I pour it in? Wait, first I need to mix it out. There we go. Now we just need to add it in. Wait. I did a job. I need to pour some of this back into it. No, Mommy. Well, it's going to pour all over the place. Oh, yeah, Mom. It's so full. More than I can't even play with that much. Sorry. Mommy, that's enough. Okay. Now I'm going to mix it up. Mommy, I'm going to mix it up. No, you did mix it up very good. Well, I get to pour it. Fine. Is that enough? I think so. Let's mix it. Do you want me to mix it? Sure, Mommy, because I have no idea how to do it and I'm tired. Fine. It's turning into slime, Mommy. I know. Oh my gosh, Mommy. Ow! Are you okay? Yeah. I'm just going to mix it up for you because it's type of hard to put together in your face. Okay, Mom. You want to add more in? Sure, Mommy. I think that's enough. Okay. Mommy, you think that's enough? I don't think so. Let me add it in. Okay, Mommy. Why are you adding all of it, Mommy? Because it's going to be so sticky if we don't add the rest of it. Okay. So I'm just going to play with it. And then you are going to play with it when I'm done because I'm going to give it some. Yeah. Five minutes later. So the sun got good. And then we're going to make different slime. Maybe ruined it. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make it real.